trust land under our feet. History's whispering, hear it in the beat. Running free on this rugged trail. With my friends we can't fail. Rolled into Blandon gas filling station. Hungry and thirsty, needing salvation. Clark's A&W, but their ice cream was broke. A root beer float, just a memory we spoke. We're riding through the desert, spirit free and wild. Herman and his friends, each one a rugged child. From Utah's peaks to the Blandon town, we chase the sun, never gonna drown. Yeah, we ride, we roll through the dirt and dust on this Utah trail in the wind we trust. So here's to the riders, the brave and the true. Utah's a wild land, and we rode it through. Herman and the crew, forever in our hearts. This dirt bike story, a work of art.
Herman's on his dirt bike, friends lining up behind. Pirate, Deathrider, red devil, Vandy's
goes up in dead ends, right?
And the shortcut through gravel canyons trail. Riding past flying fish, Mason wind in our sail. Down Jacob's chair, Woodenshoe Road's been. Through the Utah desert with our bikes and friends. Chasing down the sunrise, feeling wild and free. Riding through the mountains, just my crew and me. Through the Utah land, from Jacob's chair to Blandon land. Getting cold on a hill, mountain peak. Fingers froze at the toe, but we don't quit. There's just peaks in the distance there. We're burning rubber wind in our head. Just a crew on a rugged quest. Riding hard and doing our best. As the shadows grew long, the cold started to bite. Frozen fingers tied in the fading light. The show had to borrow gloves to keep warm. Riding through the chill weather's making us warm. We aim for the town for some child shade. And Clark's A&W, our hunger's plate. But when we ordered floats, the news was tough. Their ice cream machine was broke. Enough was enough. Oh, we're riding through the Utah land. From Jacob's chair to Blandon land. Getting cold by the hill, mountain peak. Fingers froze at the toe, but we don't quit. There's peaks in the distance there. We're burning rubber wind in our head. Just a crew on a rugged quest. Riding hard and doing our best. Cross the off reservation stone. Trust lands feeling like our own. Trailblazing under blue sky wide. Utah spirit with us, ride or die. So here's to Herman with his fresh so dear. Riding Utah's canyon, far and near. From the mountains high to the desert floor. Root beer floats might be broke, but we're forevermore.
stopping, got that wanderer's need. One more sticker full of story, cause I gotta feed my greed. Yeah, I chase that thrill, chase that neon flame. Add a sticker to my van, shout my level.
Down Jacobsshire Road to Gravel Canyon, follow flying fish mace, bright morning shine. Woodenshoe Road where the dirt kicks high, riding with my brothers under that clear blue sky. We're riding through the desert, spirit free and wild. Herman and his friends, each one a rugged child. Utah's peaks to the blending town, chase the sun, never gonna drown. Yeah, we ride, we roll through the dirt and dust. This Utah trail, in the wind we trust. By the heel mountain, the cold tried to bite, frozen fingers as we climbed higher and higher. The show had to borrow gloves, too cold to hold. Keep on riding, brave and bold. Tried to see bears' ears, both west and east. Majestic shadows, a sight to feast. Riding past the ancient stone, in this land we call home. We're riding through the desert, spirit free and wild. Herman and his friends, each one a rugged child. Utah's peaks to the blending town, chase the sun, never gonna drown. Yeah, we ride, we roll through the dirt and dust. This Utah trail, in the wind we trust. Across UT mountain, trust land under our feet. History's whispering, hear it in the beat. Running free on this rugged trail with my friends, we can't fail. Rolled into Vandy, gas filling station, hungry and thirsty, needing salvation. Clark's A&W, but their ice cream was broke. A root beer float, just a memory we spoke. We're riding through the desert, spirit free and wild. Herman and his friends, each one a rugged child. From Utah's peaks to the blending town, we chase the sun, never gonna drown. Yeah, we ride, we roll through the dirt and dust. On this Utah trail, in the wind we trust. So here's to the riders, the brave and the true. Utah's a wild land, and we rode it through. Herman and the crew, forever in our hearts. The dirt bike story, a work of art. A work of art.